Hi there, it's Simon here. How are you? We are going to learn You've Got to Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles today. It's a great one for open chords and learning to leave your pinky behind, which you do throughout almost the whole song. So those chords, we are going to start off with a bar of G, a bar of 2 of G. So we get down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That basically is one beat, right? So down, up, bar. Okay, so the first chord is a G. Then we're going to hit a D sus2. Leave those 2 fingers behind. Play the D. Okay, so you get G, D. Leave your pinky behind. Make an F over the top 4 strings, making sure only to play the top 4 strings. And then we're going to go back to G. So that first bar was G, D, F add 9, G. And then we're going to play a C, now just with your pinky on the top. It's just still a C major, just a different voicing, okay? So you get 2 beats of that, C, C, then F add 9, C. And then you repeat the same thing again, G, F, G, C, C, F, C. Okay. And then we hit a bar of 2, just D. Okay, and that's what happens the first time around, and it loops back into that G, D, F, G bit. Now the second time we come to the end of the verse, instead of just playing 2 beats of D, we're going to do this cool thing where we descend into the chorus. So you basically play D, and then pull your second finger away here and put it on the C note of the A string. So you get that D, C. First finger goes then on B, and then go back to the D, but put an A at the bottom. That's how it sounds. And then you're going to go to a G, which is the chorus. C. And then we're going to do a thing with the D. We're going to play a D sus4. Take your pinky off. Take your second finger off, this is D sus2 now. And put it back on. Okay, so that first line of the chorus is G, C twice, D sus4, D, D sus2, D. Okay, and then the second line is exactly the same. G, C, sus4, D, sus2. Okay, now what you can do here in the chorus is you can kind of follow the vocal a little bit. So this is like an extra level if you found that a bit easy. So you've got G, then D sus4. Do it that way around, G, then walk like that into a regular C, or you could play a G and walk into like a C add 2 or C sus2 or C add 9 if you like, up to you. So G, sus4, D, sus2, D, G. From there you go back into the verse, F, G, all that stuff, and then it hits the flute solo, same sort of thing again, and then you just finish on a G. And that is how you play You've Got to Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles. If you would like the chart or anything extra, or have any questions, please go to patreon.com/Simon Morel, where you can find charts for every single lesson I put up here on YouTube. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.